Greetings to all my respected faculty. Today here I am presenting my final year project, which is Design and Fabrication of Monowheel. Our team leader is Mr. Nishant Kadia, and the other members are Shubham Singh, Yuvraj Singh Paderia, and Janil Soon. We are guided by our respected sir, Mr. Sumit Shikarwar. This is the introduction part of the old design. The old design was manufactured in 19th century, which was actually patented. But then the motor drive monowheel, which was a petrol monowheel, it came in 1904, designed by Kevrakil. The modern design of monowheel was built by Dr. Geraint Owen in Bath University, UK. That monowheel was 7 feet metal hoop, which you can see in this photograph, and the mob engine which was used was 50 cc. But the failures of the old design are the garbling effect. In this, when the driver accelerates too much or brakes the vehicle too hard, the uh, driver inside the larger wheel, as you can see in this diagram, it starts rotating, which was the greatest backdrop of this design. Due to this design, the vision of the driver is also not clear, so the safety factors are very less in such a design. We have adapted from the older design, and our design is basically eco innovation, because we are using uh, battery in it, which is generally not using any fossil fuels or any kind of fuel, so which harms the environment, and it is compact in size as compared to that of older design. The general features of our bikes are: it is a portable bike which can be easily carried. It is an eco-friendly vehicle as it runs on battery. And due to our design, the rider sits on an upfront uh, position, which makes the visibility very clear. These are the impacts and benefits of our design. We are using battery, which is basically electrical energy, so we are not using any kind of fuel power in this vehicle. This vehicle is basically for short land distances, as we have noticed when we were in internship at GEB Gandhinagar. The units in that company were far away, like for 700 meters to 1 kilometer. So for such a huge company, our vehicle can be very easily be helpful for the transportation or for travel of one person from one unit to another unit. These are the development of the monowheel cycle in previous years. This is the price estimation. As you can see, the objects we are using are geared motor of 24 volt, battery which is chargeable, microcontroller for proper enhancement, charger. We are using throttle mechanism and rollers for inside attachments, and our outer ring. These are few research papers we have gathered for our project, Monowheel Dynamics. These papers have helped us a lot for our complete design and analysis for our vehicle to perform in a better way. We have gathered from here that the gyroscopic effect is very much important. So we have done every kind of calculation in our Autodesk and Fusion 360 software. This is the design of latest bike, which is also known as Rhino. This is a single-seater bike, but it is very much costly for an Indian environment. It is about 1,15,000 to 1,20,000. These are few research papers. This is a literature review we have gathered. There are more papers in this, but we can show you a little bit. This is a basic logbook which we have carry forward till now. Basically, these are the future scope for a project which we are looking forward. Air pollution, like we have seen in basically in our country, we are using so much of vehicles that is creating very much air pollution and noise pollution also. So our project is completely based on electricity and battery. So there will be no use of fuels, which will reduce the air pollution basically, and also the noise pollution created by other fueled vehicles. Low price. The price which we have estimated is near about 20,000, and it can be easily be purchasable for a unit or a factory in which the workers can travel from one unit to another unit easily, and for daily life also it is easily portable as it requires very small space. Traffic, which we all know, the traffic issue in our country is very much. So this project of ours is basically for a compact area, so it will also reduce the traffic issues. Thank you. Now further, our main design, which we have done in Autodesk and Fusion 360, will be explained by our group leader Nishant Kadia.
Thank you, Mr. Subham Singh. Now I will take it from here. This is the basic design of our final year project, monowheel, design and fabrication of monowheel. As you can see, this is a locomotive which runs on only on one wheel. It works on the battery to move between two places, so it is highly eco-friendly. Now I will show you the detailed view of our design. So this is the paddle wheel, and now this is the motor, and this is the seating arrangement. These are the handlebars of our cycle, and now these are the bearing rollers of our and this is the outer ring of our monowheel, which is made up of MS material, and and it is coated with rubber tires. And this is the inner frame where the person will sit. It's also made up of MS material. So now, as you can see, a free view of our design. In this design, the pedals are for the safety factors. If the battery discharges fully, then we can pedal like a cycle. The battery will fix under the seat. The battery is the rechargeable. This is our basic design of our final year project monowheel. Thank you.